What can I do? I'm split in two and I pulled myself apart, trying to see myself with you. I've had one or two, I've only had a few. Speaking honestly is my specialty when I'm with you. But I want it, I'll do anything to have you. Call me yellow, green, red or blue, the whole damn color spectrum. I don't care what you do, don't care about your crew. The only one I see myself within the end is you. That's okay, I'm all okay, don't worry about a thing I say. One day when it's okay, we'll stay in and play, and I'll take away your hurt, make you smile for days. I'll take away your hurt so you don't have to pray. Toss a lucky coin in the fountain of dreams. You could wish to see this clear, cause things are what they seem. In a perfect world, we can always gleam. We can only dream, yeah, we can only dream. We can only dream. We can only dream. I can only dream that you dream of me. What can I do? I'm split in two and I pulled myself apart, trying to see myself with you. I've had one or two, I've only had a few. Speaking nonsense, my specialty when I'm with you. But I want it, 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 I'll do anything to have you. Call me yellow, green, red or blue, the whole damn color spectrum. I don't care what you do, don't care about your crew. The only one I see myself within the end is you. That's okay, I'm all okay, don't worry about a thing I say. One day when it's okay, we'll stay in and play, and I'll take away your hurt, make you smile for days, and take away your hurt so you don't have to pray. Toss your lucky coin in the fountain